Hi, I'm Mike Wolf, and what I'd like to talk to you about today is a revolutionary new antenna platform, Mosaic, which we think will be a critical tool for wireless network operators as they look to expand their networks to 5G today and in the future. Mosaic is an innovative modular antenna platform that allows operators to seamlessly integrate passive and active antenna technologies in the same real estate that they currently use with a single passive antenna today. It's going to help operators deploy 5G massive MIMO capabilities more efficiently. I'd like to highlight three key benefits of Mosaic, which are tower top simplification, network planning flexibility, and then the ability of operators to have a reduced total cost of ownership. So with simplification, the ability to combine and integrate those active and passive antenna elements seamlessly into a common footprint helps them reduce the number of attachment points they have on the tower or the rooftop. And then with network planning flexibility, Mosaic provides a mixture of passive capabilities along with the ability to integrate that to a number of different compatible active antenna systems, whether those are provided from a traditional OEM or from an Open RAN vendor. And third, Mosaic can help operators reduce their total cost of ownership. It does that by helping them to solve their difficult zoning challenges, by helping them achieve a reduced wind load on their towers and rooftops, and finally, by helping them manage site PIM, which is a very complex and costly problem for them to address in today's 5G environment. Now, we've been a leader in base station antenna technology over a number of decades, and during that time period, we've seen a huge increase in network complexity as mobile networks have transitioned from 3G to 4G and now to 5G. And one of the key constraints that they face today are constraints around real estate and zoning. And Mosaic solves those challenges by a combination of modularity and also a compact footprint where you can compactly combine both active and passive technologies into one integrated system. And then finally, it provides upgradability where an operator can start with a passive architecture today, but then they can move to a combined passive active architecture tomorrow with a minimum of cost and expense. Mosaic provides a reduction in wind loading because it provides a unified platform that combines the capabilities of a separate passive antenna element along with the capability of a 5G massive MIMO antenna element. And what it does is it combines those two elements, which on a conventional way would have two separate wind loads. It combines those into a unified single wind load and thereby gives you up to around a 20% reduction in some scenarios. Mosaic was designed to be radio agnostic, but to ensure that it is, we have a certification process in place so that when we take the active antenna system portion of the platform, whether that comes from a traditional OEM or from an Open RAN supplier, and we integrate that with the passive module together, we ensure that that combination delivers the performance that the customer expects.